I'm going to show you how I make soy milk. I have this cool little machine that does it, and a cool dispenser for my soybeans. Fill that little cup up like halfway, and I get 2 cups of water. Pour that in the machine. Then I put the lid on. You gotta line it up to the handle. Then you're able to push the buttons and go to the one, I think it says hot and 16. And then you leave it and it does its thing. I go wash this pitcher while it's making all that. Take that center thing off first to let the steam out before you open the lid, or you might burn yourself. I go wash the lid and then I start pouring the milk into the pitcher with the filter. Make sure you have some kind of stick, because it just like helps get the pulp out of the way, I guess, so the milk can go down. Once it goes down enough, you can add the rest of the milk. I go wash that little machine thing. I usually don't do all this. I'm trying to show you what's going on. I just leave the filter in the pitcher and swirl it around, and it does fine. There's a gap on the seal. I face that towards the spout so that the hot air can get out of there. I don't know that you always have to be this thorough, because I leave it on the counter to cool for a little while before I put it in the refrigerator. There's your milk. Once it's cold, I put it in a cute little bottle.